We missed the countdown.
Yeah.
We missed the millennium.
Shit.
We missed the fucking millennium.
It's all right, Penny.
Oh, that's your fault, Ruby.
How is it my fault? She's the one that came in here shouting her out. Well, we were having a great time before you walked in and blew up the place. Oh, come on. Well, I'm hardly wrong, am I?
Oh, just stop it.
Penny, it's fine.
No, it is not fine. It was the millennium and we've fucking missed it. Oh, how did you spend your millennium, Penny? Oh, you know, just in a room the size of a pissing cupboard with my two sisters who want to fucking kill each other. Why? Why can you both not just stop shouting at each other? You know, maybe if you'd stopped shouting at each other, we would have heard the countdown. Maybe if you'd stopped shouting at each other, we would have heard the start of the millennium. And maybe, just maybe, if you'd stopped shouting at each other, then we would actually be behaving like actual fucking sisters for a change.